I'm Sam with Papago Vans, and we are out here at Lake Tahoe at the Adventure Van Expo. We would love for you to swing by, see some of our vans, see some of the other vendors that are out here. If you've been thinking about getting a van, if you're thinking about upgrading your van, this is the place to be. This van is a El Capitan tier build on a Sprinter 144 chassis. We've got Nomadic out here. They provide all of our AC units. These are off-grid capable. They are powerful and efficient. They are meant to be run not off of shore power. So anywhere you are, you can cool down your van. So the Nomadic AC is extremely powerful and very, very efficient, especially when used in tandem with the Max Air fan. So that is going to exhaust all of the hot air out and bring in all of the cool air. Down in Arizona, we've started the van up. It was 120 degrees outside, way hotter in the van, and in 15 minutes, the whole van was 70 degrees. It felt amazing inside. With your van, you're gonna wanna be able to take it anywhere. And so if you are traveling through hotter states, New Mexico, California, Arizona, or anywhere down south, your van is gonna get really hot. And it's not gonna cool off at night either. So that AC is super important so that you feel comfortable in your van, because the last thing that you want is to just be laying awake sweating all night. And the whole point of having the van, I mean, you have everything that you need in here. You've got the microwave, the sink, the shower, your bed, the AC. You want to be able to take the van anywhere. In Arizona, we really don't need the heater very much, but we put it in there because we want to take our vans up north where it gets cold. We want to go snowboarding, we want to go skiing. But then there are times that, you know, you do want to take your van to the beach, you know, somewhere warm, somewhere hot. Maybe you want to go visit the Grand Canyon. You're gonna need that AC to keep your van cool. We swear by this AC. Swing on out here and we'd love to show you. Showing you the shower here, we've got the removable shower head. This does have an on-off switch so that when you are in the shower, you find that perfect temperature. You can pause the shower and conserve water, which is super important in a van. Down at the bottom, we've got the Lavio dry flush. This is great for camping. It seals off like a diaper genie, so you aren't gonna have spills, you aren't gonna have smells, which in a moving van is super important. The retractable shower door, and this is a fully tiled shower as well. We've got the acoustic slat ceiling, so this is going to help dampen all the noise from outside of the van. A memory foam mattress in here. You're going to sleep like a baby. Tons of storage in here. A microwave. The beautiful acacia butcher block countertops in here. We've got a sink cover to match the countertops. The fridge is located just on the end here with drawer space above. And underneath this custom cushion here is a storage space. You'll be able to hide all the things that you don't want your mom to see in there. And there's also a cooktop in there. So on the back of the van, we've got the Owl ladder tire carrier with the full-size spare on there. So if you do run into a situation where you do need that spare tire, it is full-size and it's already mounted on the rim for you. We've also got the Owl box that's mounted to the B2 bike carrier. This is additional storage for things that maybe you don't want to have inside your van, a propane tank or maybe your garbage. The bike tubes on top, you can mount gear or bike racks onto those. We've got the Nomadic awning on this van. Mildew resistant, UV resistant. It has the LED lights at the bottom and up at the top, and they get so bright. They're gonna illuminate your entire camp space at night, making sure that, you know, all your board games and conversations are gonna be lit up. The side steps along the side are super important. These vans are really tall stock. And then we do add a lift to some of them, adding a little more height. That side step is really gonna help you getting in and out of that van. We've got the upgraded rims and tires on this van, as well as the lift kit. This van has the flat earth roof rack on there. As you can see, you can get up there if you wanna set up chairs, mount gear, and hang out on top of your van. We've got the Morimoto light bar. As you can see, Jesse's cleaning those off, keeping them looking crispy. Morimoto's mounted to the Pismo bumper here. This is from Owl with the Warn winch in the front. That winch is really going to help you get unstuck, and the shackles are going to help out with that if you're off-roading and run into any situation where you need a little recovery. Okay, so I'm Sam, I'm with Papago Vans. You can come find us in Mesa, Arizona. We'd love to see you and show you some more of our build.